Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your default card on your Apple Pay. So first of all, of course, you need to have another card. So for example, I have only one card now added. So let's add um, another card first of all. So for example, I'm going to add my Revolut. And now when I added some cards, now you want to go to your settings, scroll down until you see wallet and Apple Pay. And right here, you can see all of your payment cards. And here, when you scroll down, as you can see, there's a transaction defaults, and you can see the default card right here. So here you can select a card which would be your default. So for example, let's change it, let's go back, and it has changed. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.